Let's make an onion daiquiri. I had another cocktail enthusiast friend of mine say to me once, "Jer, you can make a syrup out of anything if you're brave enough." And I took that challenge to heart, and I came up with an onion syrup. Recipe for that is here on the channel. Link will be down below if you'd like to check it out. Of course, once I had that onion syrup, what are you going to do with it? My go-to recipe for a new syrup is the daiquiri, and so that's what I did. I came up with an onion daiquiri recipe, and that's what we're going to make today. A note on the rum. The onion flavor tends to be a little bit overpowering, so you don't need to use a really good rum in this drink. I'm going to be using Trader Joe's Rum of the Gods, but use the rum that you think is appropriate, and if you find one that works really good in this drink, let me know what it is in the comments down below. To make this drink, we are going to start with our lime juice. 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 3/4 of an ounce of your onion syrup. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. Oh, getting pretty low. I might have to make some more of this. And just to round it off, 1/4 ounce of regular simple syrup, 1:1. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters, and the recipe for this is on the channel as well. Link to that will be down below. And finally, 2 ounces of your rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add some ice, and give it a shake. Official glass is a coupe. I'm using an Anderson Ancestral coupe. You can use the coupe of your choice. I'm going to double strain that into the glass. And it turned out a little pink because I used red onions in this recipe this time. Or my onion syrup recipe, that is. And garnish. If you got one of those little cocktail onions, that would go great on here. I don't have any of those today, so I'm going to use a dehydrated lime wheel. Float that right on top. And there you have it. Your onion daiquiri. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is your favorite recipe that uses an onion syrup? Let me know in the comments down below. Double points if it includes rum, triple points if you give me the recipe. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. While you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.